Okay, let's do like a before and after. So here's one freezer, two freezers. I want to take that freezer and put it on that wall. I'll move this one over, and this wall I want to have 2 shelving units. And then in here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I do stock up the cat food there. But then I'll show you guys progress as we go along. Just trying to get a little better stockpile of food, more canned goods. I put this gym flooring, and then I put ceramic tiles on the gym flooring just to put the freezers on. Just to protect the carpet so nothing gets overheated or anything. But now, because I'm moving this, I have to cut this gym flooring so this can go right here. Because we want to put that freezer on that wall. And it's such a tight fit, it's going to be 1 inch. Got the freezers on that wall. But now I gotta run to Walmart or Lowe's. That extension cord's way too long. I gotta run that to that plug. I need about 8 foot. The 2 shelving units we're gonna build today. Those are the 2 seedling garden shelves for indoors. But we're not gonna do that today. We gotta do that today. One down, one more to go. Fit right next to it. Look at all the stuff we gotta put away yet. Alright, both shelves are up. We're still got a big mess here, and we got what's in here. Then we got all the cat food. We're gonna take this shelf and put it downstairs in one of the closets for all the dog supplies, the dog blankets. I got that at a yard sale last year. And then what we're going to put in this closet is all the toilet paper from the other closet. Make this whole room just supplies and food. Kind of like a working walk-in pantry. Before I switch over the rest of the stuff to these shelves, from some stuff in the kitchen and some stuff in here, I did a big grocery haul just to kind of get it jump started. Let's go over it real quick. Some of these are some deals, some are just normal prices. These jalapeno tunas are on sale for $1 each. See, if I add one of that to 1 can of this, that's some good sandwiches. So I bought a bunch of those. A bunch of my powdered juices I drink. 5 calories, not too bad. I'm trying to drink more water, but that's rough. Bought a bunch of tuna. I got more tuna in the other room. I believe it was 70 cents a can. Tuna lasts a long time. Black bean, I love black beans. Put them in tacos, eat them by themselves. Chili beans. I believe these are 84 cents. 84 cents. Cream corn, 84 cents. 12 of those. Sloppy Joe, I got these at Aldi for 89 cents. Cream and chicken, Aldi again. 59 cents, I believe. No, 69 cents, I believe. Alright, then we got just some elbows. I add this to Hamburger Helper. I like double and triple the servings just to make a bigger Hamburger Helper for more leftovers. Speaking of Hamburger Helper, these are $1 a piece. These are on sale for $1. Got a bunch of those. Got a bunch of this wing sauce, which is really good, but you use it for anything. $1 a piece for that. Worcestershire, $1. Just some clearance juice. I don't know what it is. Ketchup. Then Walmart doesn't do the Valentine's 50% off anymore, but I went the other day and they had it on a clearance rack for 99 cents for some of this. What price? Some of this? Same stuff. 99 cents. So I got it. I know I bought too much, but you know me and sweets. Then I got this. Okay, these are baking fruits. These are like green cherries. You can add them to brownies, anything. They don't expire. They're on clearance. They were, let's see if I can find a price. They were $173. It was $6.94 for the holidays, but they don't expire to April 28, 2028. So I can use those for baking the next couple Christmases easily with no problem at all. And then I found a deal on these. These are just good to have if I want something sweet once in a while. These carrot cakes, they were $1.37, and most other cakes were like $1.77. So I just picked up a couple of those. So and the price for all that now, that's actually expensive when I add it all up. But let's see. Okay, $216.24. That is not a lot of food for that. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting the rest of the stuff from that closet in there. Frank was over there. You couldn't see it now. I put the shelves in. But the shelves, these shelves were $75 each. And you had to build them. They're pretty easy to build. Not too bad. But this can keep me more organized and easier to shop my own pantry. So I can see what I got. Easy to rotate. I think things are going to get even tougher. I think AI is going to come with like a freight train. It's going to knock a lot of jobs out. And even if it doesn't affect your job, it's going to affect a lot of other jobs, which is going to hammer the economy and get people panicking. So that's part of the reason why I want to get a good stockpile of food that will last a while. Just for peace of mind, you know, who knows what's coming. A dent in the can, I gotta put that in front. Use those first, obviously. That shelf, which was in there, will go downstairs. It's gonna go organize this. There's my Christmas tree. Some fans and dog blankets. And then we got dog bowls up there. Just make it a little more organized. So there's where we put that shelf. So much better when it's organized. That's all the dog blankets. That's the shelf from upstairs I had in the closet for canned goods. So all that is going to try to go just so I can keep it all together. But this is from Sam's. When I first started buying this, it was $20 and some change delivered to my front door. Now it's in my area up to $25 already. And I live alone, so this will last me a long time. I'm not sure all that will fit. I don't think it will. Oh, it might. It might. All right. Looks like it fit. All the cat food there. All the toilet paper there. All right, that makes me happy. At least it fit. Now I'll put the curtain back up. Now this is the cat carrier. What I'm gonna do with this is because when I had a house fire, that thing saved me by getting Baby Love out of here. So I'm gonna put this right under my bed. So if something happens while I'm sleeping, I can grab this and then get Baby Love out. There she is. Baby Love, Baby Love. I guess she hates the camera because she's not shy around me. This is actually her room. Alright, so here's the after. We moved the freezers from that wall to that wall. We put these shelves up. It's just gonna be more organized and I can see what I have. And I can rotate easier so there's no waste. And then I put in here, the wall of toilet paper. And back there is still the cat food. It's hard to see because it's dark. But that way everything is in this room. I like that better. Got the freezers. Starting to get a good collection of ground beef. So this would be called, like, I'll just call this the pantry room. I hope you guys liked it. I actually like it a lot. And I haven't found a spot for that plant. That plant, I got a yard sale last year. 15 bucks. And it lights up. It was in that corner. I just moved it there for now, but I'm not mad at it there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys very much. And give me a thumbs up if you'd be so kind. And I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there.